Regards. My name is Lely Diaz Izquierdo, and this time I will be describing the process that was carried out to install and configure a help desk. Within the framework of the practical component of the course, Government and IT Service Management. osTicket is a widely used and trusted open source support ticket system. It seamlessly routes inquiries created via email, web forums, and phone calls into a simple, easy-to-use, multi-user, web-based customer support platform. osTicket is completely free. On the official osTicket page, you can download the application as I am showing. It will be necessary to register first in order to download the folder with the installers. A notification will arrive at the email we have registered, and the compressed folder will be downloaded without problems. Then we copy it to the corresponding folder of our local server. Once this procedure is developed, we can verify from our local host that the application is already available in order to be installed. We verify if we have enabled each of the PHP components necessary for the application to work correctly. If no, as in our case, we proceed to edit the php.ini file and enable the required extension. In my case, I do not have the necessary permission to editing the file PHP from the folder where it is hosted. So I copied the file in another location of the system, and after editing, I will open the folder where the file should go, using Nitrous from the Ubuntu console. This way, I can have the necessary permission to write in this folder. Don't forget to restart the Apache server. Click on the following button and proceed to fill out the form that appears below. We click on the Install button, and if there is no problem, we will see the page that is shown below. At this moment, we can access the help desk without any problem from the browser, accessing localhost. From this screen, any user, even if they are not registered, can access and create a ticket. The procedure is how I am showing it on the screen. Now, accessing as agent, we can have visibility tickets that other users have created, configure different options, create new users, create other agents, verify statistics, among other options. Here I will show an example of how to edit some data of our own profile. In this case, the data that I will edit will be the email. We are also going to add an organization and assign a user to the organization. The procedure is how I am showing it. To create a new user from the agent profile, we do the following procedure. To delete a user, simply mark it, click on More and delete. You should know that when you delete a user in this way, the ticket related to it will also be deleted. Depending on the privileges that the user of the help desk has, there will be the tasks that can be done in it. If you access a user without credentials, you can generate a ticket as no privilege, and you can also follow up with the number you generate and the email you provided. To access an agent, you must enter the username and password. In both cases, everything I tick is generated and the ticket status is changed. osTicket will send an email to the related user. Here I am showing the osTicket platform after 3 days of operation. Accessing with my username and password with agent privileges, I can verify the tickets that are currently open, their priority, the user that created them, the theme, the date it was created, and the number assigned to it. I will proceed to respond to one of the pending tickets. I can choose the option to show the signature of the department from which the response is given, and it is important change of status of the ticket. In this case, I will indicate that it has been resolved. And finally, we click on the Post Reply button. In the dashboard, we can verify the activity of the tickets. We see that in the graph, the graded ones appear with blue color, in green the closed ones, and in red color reopened. In the part below, the list of departments to which the user is assigned appears. In this, the details of the tickets assigned. We can also view all the users that have been created, along with the details related to them. We can create other organizations or look at the details of these already created. Verify tasks, their details, view or assign collaborators, as well as changing your state. In conclusion, there are many options offered by a help desk in organization to provide users with a single point of contact through with their needs regarding the use of resources of technological service are resolved and channeled.